Hello, I bought this watch on AliExpress. The box is nice. It has a magnet on it. With the watch, you get a screwdriver to adjust the bracelet. Let's look at the watch. The red hand on it is for GMT. The sides are polished. The crown is signed. The bezel moves in one direction. It has a sapphire glass. The bracelet is okay for this price, with a signed clasp. Dimensions are 45 mm with the crown and 40 mm without the crown. Lug to lug is about 20 mm. It has screw-down crown. On the first click you set the date and the GMT hand. And on the second click, the time. The mechanism is automatic Chinese pearl, with transparent glass on the back where you can see the mechanism. A good thing is that it has these extensions on the bracelet where you can quickly expand it. I'm sure it happens to everyone that the watch starts to tighten after a long walk or in the heat, so this is a good feature to have. This is how it looks compared to the Batman GMT I bought a few months earlier. I am very satisfied with it. I put it on a NATO strap though. He came with Jubilee bracelet. If you want any of this watches, the link is in a description. Let's see what the illumination is like. I like this blue color, it's the same on the Batman. All in all, for this price, it's hard to find a better watch. Here's how it looks on the wrist. My wrist is 17 centimeters. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.